Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to install Zotero on your computer. To gain the full functionality of Zotero, you'll need 4 elements. 1. The desktop application. 2. The Microsoft Word add-on. 3. The Zotero connector. And 4. The online syncing library account. Let's start by downloading the desktop application. Open up your browser and go to zotero.org. Click on the red download button at the center of the screen. This next page will automatically detect what type of system you're using and what browser you're on. On the left-hand side, if you click on the blue download button, that will start the downloading and installation process for your Zotero desktop application. Open the file that's downloaded. And follow through your setup wizard. I'll click Finish here so that everything is installed. So right away something happened. We were redirected to the zotero.org/start page. I know that Zotero downloaded because at the top I can see that it says Success, you installed Zotero. When I open Zotero, this is what it looks like, and I have this welcome message. That'll go away once I start using it. I'm going to go back to my browser, and number 1 here is saying to install the Zotero connector for Chrome. This connects your browser to your Zotero application. Click on Install. Then click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, now the extension has been added to Chrome, but be sure you pin the extension so you can see it at the top right. Currently, the connector is signified by a sheet of paper icon. Note that the pop-up blocker on your browser may prevent the Zotero connector from working. Be sure to adjust this setting if you run into problems. When we downloaded the desktop application, the Microsoft Word add-on should have automatically installed in our Microsoft Word application. Let's check by opening up a blank document in Microsoft Word. At the top, you should see a Zotero ribbon, under which there are buttons that help us create in-text citations and bibliographies as we're writing. If this ribbon does not appear in your Microsoft Word application, there's a way to manually install this. Navigate back to your Zotero desktop application and go to Edit, Preferences. Make sure you're under the Cite tab and Word Processor subtab. Here, either click on Install Microsoft Word add-on or the LibreOffice add-on, and then click on OK. You may need to open and close Word to make sure that this change is made. You can also use Zotero when you're writing in Google Docs. When you install the Zotero connector and you're using the Chrome browser, the Zotero drop-down menu will automatically be installed in your Google Docs. So here I have a blank document open, and when I click on Zotero, I have the options to add and edit citations and bibliographies. Note that the first time you do this, Chrome will ask you to allow Zotero access to edit your documents, so you may have to log in again. Lastly, we need to set up syncing. So click on the link in the middle here. This will open up our preferences again. So we're under the Sync tab and the Settings subtab. If you have an account, put your username and password in these boxes and click on Set up Syncing. If you're brand new, click on Create Account. This will take you to the registration page on zotero.org. Fill this out with your username and password, and feel free to use any email address. You don't have to use your Westminster address for this. Click on Register, and you should be logged in, but if not, you can always log in the top right corner. Your username will display at the top, and if you click on it, it'll show you your Zotero profile. The Web Library tab is the most important tab here. It will show you your synced library, so everything that's you've added to your desktop application will be backed up here. Right now it's blank because we haven't added anything yet. And that's a brief overview of how to install Zotero on your computer. Remember, if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact a librarian.